Solve the simultaneous equations showing clear algebraic working. You've got y is equal to 2x minus 1, and then you've got x squared plus y squared is equal to 10. So basically you've got a circle and a line meeting it. So we've got y is equal to 2x minus 1, we'll call that equation 1, and we've got x squared plus y squared is equal to 10, we'll call that equation 2. Substitute 1 into 2. So we've got x squared plus, so now y is now 2x minus 1. So it's 2x minus 1, but we have to square it because it's y squared is equal to 10. And now we now solve this. Now we've got x squared. Now we have to expand brackets. This is really now assumed knowledge, but if you can't expand brackets, then you need to expand it separately. 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1 is 2x minus 1 squared. So that means 2x times 2x minus 1, and then minus 1 times 2x minus 1. So 2x times 2x gives you 4x squared. 2x times minus 1 gives you minus 2x, minus 2x. And the minus times the minus gives you plus 1. That now gives you 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. That now needs to be substituted into here. So you get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 10. This is a quadratic. We now just put it in the format of a quadratic so I can solve it. So you now get x squared plus 4x, which gives you 5x squared, minus 4x, and then 1 minus 10 gives you minus 9, and that's equal to 0. You now have to solve this with the quadratic formula, or it does actually factorize. To factorize it, the product is 5 times minus 9, which is minus 45, and the sum is minus 4. We now want two numbers when multiplied together give minus 45, and we add the same two numbers, we get minus 4. With a bit of trial and improvement, you will come up with minus 9 and 5. Minus 9 times 5 gives me minus 45. Minus 9 plus 5 gives me minus 4. So we now get 5x squared minus 9x plus 5x minus 9 is equal to 0. You now factorize by grouping. So the common factor here is just x, so it comes out and we get 5x minus 9. Bring down the plus sign. There is no common factor here, so we'll write down a 1, and in brackets we'll write down 5x minus 9. We're just careful, this is a plus, so it doesn't affect the sign. Still equal to 0. Now we've got a common factor of 5x minus 9, and we're left with x plus 1. So either 5x minus 9 is equal to 0, which means that 5x is 9 and x is 9 over 5, or x plus 1 is equal to 0, which gives you x is equal to minus 1. So we found the values of x. We now substitute into the line to find the values of y. So substitute into equation 1, which is y is equal to 2x minus 1. For when x is 9 over 5, we're going to get 2 times 9 over 5 minus 1. That gives you 18 over 5 minus 1. And 1 over 5 is 5 over 5. 18 minus 5 will give you 13 over 5. Either that or you work with decimals. And then we've got x is equal to minus 1. So we've got y is equal to 2 times minus 1 minus 1. That's minus 2 minus 1, which gives you minus 3. Then writing down the solutions, you've got x is 9 over 5 and y is 13 over 5, and then you've got x is minus 1 and y is minus 3. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation where a line and a circle meet. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.